Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick unboxing and quick review of the RC15 motorcycle smart screen from LAMTTO. Come on, let's begin. Alright, so again, this is the RC15 motorcycle smart screen from LAMTTO. And basically, this is a CarPlay screen for your motorcycle. So yeah, this will be very helpful because this will be a wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. And it has a 6.25 waterproof touchscreen. Okay, so basically let's check the box in here. Nothing much on the box. It doesn't say anything like the specs or what, but it has the model number here. So model RC15, and it has some RC15, then just X, C, XX. All right, and then BK3724. Other than that, there's nothing else. So let's open this. I think this slides out. Yep, it slides out. And let's open this. Packaging wise, again, good packaging for this. It has some protection, so got some foam in there. So let's pull this out. So it has a cable in there. Okay, so it got some hardware. Okay, good. Let's just dump this in here. And what else do we have? All right, so we have a user manual. Okay, so it comes with a 12-month warranty, basically a year. Yeah, let's put that aside. So what do we have here? We have a mounting bracket. Again, this is for a motorcycle. Okay, so it comes basically, this is a handlebar mount. Okay, and now we have the wiring kit. This is waterproof, I think, because you can tighten it. Yep. It comes with some hardware here and some tools, Allen key, and some small screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, and more hardware in here, and some more brackets. Okay, so you got some more brackets in here, which is good that they provide those. Now let's remove this. All right, so this is the actual unit. Okay, so we just need to screw this in place, basically. So here's the mounting bracket, and then you screw it in there. Okay, and this you can adjust it. I can feel there's some teeth in there that's gripping in there. All right, so with this, basically it needs to get wired. So you got this label in here. It says power. The other one, it says controller. So this one is the power. We connect this together here. Okay, and it will be a tight sealed. Let me just check if it has some O-ring in here. Yeah, so it got some O-ring in there, so it will be sealed. So just put this together. Okay, so connect this to your battery and to your ignition. Okay, so that you'll get power. The other one, it says controller. So this is the controller. This goes to your handlebar also. So I can see like a call icon. If you see here, call icon, this is the home, and it shows like the recycle. I think this is the back button. So you can connect that where it says controller. And this one has an O-ring also. Okay, so this will be a tight sealed. So just connect that in there. Okay, so to secure the bracket, basically straightforward. We're gonna use one of the supplied bolt and then put it in there, and we need to tighten this. Okay, don't make it too tight so that you can make the adjustment. So just tighten it, good tie. Let's see, there you go. Yeah, so you can adjust it. Okay, so there you go. And once you adjust it in place, you can just leave it. Again, it will stay in place. All right, so if you are concerned of this bolt getting loose on like vibration, you can tighten it very well if you want to. Just make sure you don't crack the base or the mount. Okay, so yeah, so this is nice. What we're gonna do, basically this is upside down. There you go. So next thing we're gonna do here is we're going to connect this to my power station instead of connecting it to the motorcycle, because we don't have a motorcycle here to test this one. So we're just gonna test it on the table. All right, so let's just get the our jackery to connect this. All right, so now it's connected to my jackery. Now let's turn it on, and let's wait for it to turn on. I connected the controller in here also. So now we have the initial boot. So in here, as you can see, it's asking for us to set the language. So English, just check on that, and it's basically on the main screen. So if you have a motorcycle, you can mount this one out basically where it's safe and where is it comfortable to be mounted wherever. So on this one, we're going to connect it to our CarPlay on the phone. So first, let's go CarPlay, I think. Then it will give us the instruction. So turn on Bluetooth on your iPhone and select connect to MTO2-56FC. So on our phone, let's do that. We're going to our Bluetooth and going to look for that. All right. So let's pair it. I'm just gonna hit not sync, and it will ask you to connect to CarPlay. So let's hit connect, and let's wait for it. There you go, automatically loaded. This is nice, especially if you're on a motorcycle. You don't have to mount your phone in there. Sometimes it can fall, or sometimes if you're on a bad area, they can just grab your phone out, right? So with this one, it will be very safe if you keep your phone in your pocket or in your bag, wherever it's safe. And then you'll just have this connected into your um, bike. All right, so as you can see here, it's loading up the normal stuff that I see on my car, basically. So it got the maps in there, the music, basically the gate, or the, yeah, for my garage. So you can definitely use this. This is gonna be usable. So maps, Google Maps, and let's just hit for destination, and let's just pick a random address in here, and yeah, so it actually
starting
works.
route to Grace Marsh Farm.
Head
west on Beaumont Lane Northeast, then turn right onto Pine Road Northeast.
Okay, so the audio actually is coming out from my phone. So, and I assume if you're riding a motorcycle, some may be using headphones. Alright, so AirPods or whatever motorcycle headphones you got in there. So, yeah, so this will be very helpful. So, let's exit out here and route. And then let's see with the music. Let's pull up my Spotify instead. So it's actually playing on my phone. So again, if you have AirPods or any headphones like that, it will play on your ear. So, which makes sense, right? If you're in a motorcycle. So yeah, so that's nice. So, yep. So this one is nice. I really like it. So what else do we have here other than that? So we have audio. So yeah. So it says here that, yeah, connect to Bluetooth headset. So, yep. So basically that's it. So Android Auto, if you have an Android phone, you can connect it also. Here you can adjust the brightness. So you see there, we can adjust it. So, yeah, this is nice. So yeah, so if you own a motorcycle, you want CarPlay, or probably if you're like riding a bicycle, you want to put this in there, yeah, that's gonna be nice also. If you want to have CarPlay on your bicycle, you can do so, or electric bicycle, so, or electric bike. So yeah, you can do so. You can do the firmware update in here at the bottom. So this is like an access. So I suggest that you contact the manufacturer before accessing this part in here. This you can update the firmware through an SD card in here. So yeah, so assistive touch, you can turn on and off. What else? Language. Again, the services, just simple stuff in here in their setting. There's really not much that you can really do on this one. And also with the controller in here, instead of touching it, the screen, you can press it to go home, or go home basically, or go to CarPlay. What does this do? I don't know what this do. I'm pressing it. It looks like a refresh button. There's a phone call button in here, and it doesn't do anything. Probably I need to program it somewhere, or probably I need to hang up or something. All right, so yeah, but other than that, yeah, if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. And if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description below. Thank you for watching.